Title: The Role and Impact of the Supreme Court of America. The Supreme Court of the United States holds a unique and significant position within the nation's judicial system. As the highest court in the land, its decisions shape the interpretation of the Constitution, influence legal precedent, and impact the lives of Americans across the country. This article delves into the role, structure, and impact of the Supreme Court of America. Role of the Supreme Court. 1. Interpreting the Constitution. One of the primary functions of the Supreme Court is to interpret the Constitution. Through its rulings, the court clarifies the meaning of constitutional provisions and their application to contemporary issues. 2. Reviewing laws. The court has the power of judicial review, which allows it to review the constitutionality of laws passed by Congress and state legislatures. This authority ensures that laws conform to the principles outlined in the Constitution. 3. Resolving disputes. The Supreme Court serves as the final arbiter in disputes between states, between the federal government and the states, and between individuals or entities. Its decisions establish legal precedents that guide lower courts in similar cases. Structure of the Supreme Court. 1. Composition. The Supreme Court is composed of 9 justices, including a Chief Justice and 8 Associate Justices. They are appointed by the President and confirmed by the Senate. Justices serve for life or until they choose to retire. 2. Decision-making process. Cases are heard by the court through oral arguments presented by attorneys. After deliberation, the justices vote on the outcome. The Chief Justice, if in the majority, assigns the responsibility of writing the majority opinion. 3. Certiorari process. The court typically exercises discretion in choosing which cases to hear. Parties must petition for a writ of certiorari, and if granted, the court agrees to hear the case. Impact of Supreme Court decisions. 1. Legal precedent. Supreme Court decisions establish legal precedent, which lower courts are bound to follow. These precedents shape the interpretation and application of laws across the country. 2. Social and political impact. The court's rulings often have far-reaching consequences on society and politics. Landmark decisions, such as Brown v. Board of Education and Roe v. Wade, have shaped public policy and sparked debates on important social issues. 3. Checks and balances. The Supreme Court plays a crucial role in the system of checks and balances by ensuring that the actions of the executive and legislative branches are consistent with the Constitution. In conclusion, the Supreme Court of America plays a pivotal role in the nation's legal system, with its decisions influencing both the interpretation of the Constitution and the course of American society. As the guardian of the Constitution, the court's impact extends far beyond the confines of the judiciary, shaping the fabric of the nation itself.